In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable JavaScript on Safari. If a website looks blank, buttons don't respond, or videos won't play, JavaScript is often the missing piece. Turning it back on in Safari is quick, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you can get back to browsing without hiccups. First, open Safari on your device. Make sure it's the active app on your screen so the Safari menus and options are available. If you had Safari open already, it's fine to continue right where you left off. Next, head to the Settings area for Safari. Depending on your version, you might see a Settings or Gear icon in the toolbar, or you can go to the menu bar at the top of your screen, click Safari, and choose Preferences. In newer versions of macOS, this menu item might be labeled Settings instead of Preferences. Either one takes you to the same place where you can manage Safari's options. Once you're in that window, open the section where security-related features are managed. Look for the tab or icon labeled Security. This area controls how Safari handles safe browsing, warnings, and certain web content features. Inside Security, find the Web Content section. Here you'll see an option called Enable JavaScript. Check the box next to it to turn JavaScript on. If the box is already checked, JavaScript is already enabled and you can move on. This setting allows modern websites to load interactive elements like menus, forms, and media players that rely on scripts to function properly. A quick note on what you're changing. Enabling JavaScript doesn't install anything extra. It simply allows trusted code on web pages to run in your browser. Most reputable sites require it, and Safari's built-in protections still help guard against malicious behavior. If you ever need to troubleshoot a page or prefer a more locked-down experience, you can come back here and uncheck it temporarily. After you've enabled JavaScript, close the Settings or Preferences window to return to Safari. Then refresh the page you were trying to use so the change takes effect on that site. You can click the Reload button in the address bar or use your standard refresh shortcut. If a page was cached while JavaScript was off, a refresh ensures it loads with full functionality. That's it. You opened Safari, went into Settings or Preferences, selected the security panel, and checked Enable JavaScript. With that done, interactive websites should work as intended. If something still looks off, try refreshing one more time or restarting Safari to clear any lingering session issues. Happy browsing!